Hi, this is King of Review. The measures of the sides of a triangle are x minus 4, x, and x plus 7. What is the possible range of x? So we have a triangle, and it has three sides, and the lengths of these sides are x minus 4, x, and x plus 7. So because we're talking about the sides of a triangle, you know that they have to have positive lengths. We cannot have a length with a negative number or 0. So we know that each of these side lengths is greater than 0 because they're positive numbers. So we have x minus 4 is greater than 0, x is greater than 0, and x plus 7 is greater than 0. If we solve for x, we get x is greater than 4, x is greater than 0, and x is greater than negative 7. So we have these three inequalities here. So let's plot these on a number line. Here's negative 7, here's 0, and here's 4. So x is greater than 4. We have an open circle at 4, and our arrow goes to the right. For x is greater than 0, we have an open circle at 0, and our arrow goes to the right. And x is greater than negative 7, we have an open circle at negative 7, and our arrow goes to the right. So now I'll use the color red to show the intersection of these three inequalities. So the shaded region here in red shows the intersection of the three inequalities. And we can represent this intersection here as x is greater than 4. So the lengths of a triangle, we know that the two shortest side lengths, when you add them together, it must be greater than the longest side length. So we have x minus 4 plus x is greater than x plus 7. When we solve for x, we get 2x minus 4 is greater than x plus 7. And subtracting an x from both sides gives us x minus 4 is greater than 7. And adding the 4 on both sides, this gives us x is greater than 11. So here's our other inequality. Now let's plot x is greater than 4 and x is greater than 11 on the same number line. Here's our number line. So x is greater than 4. We have an open circle at 4, and our arrow goes to the right. And x is greater than 11. We have an open circle at 11, and our arrow goes to the right. And again, I'll show the intersection between these two inequalities in red. So the shaded region in here shows the intersection of x is greater than 4 and x is greater than 11. So what is this intersection? This intersection is x is greater than 11. And that's our answer. B is correct. Thanks for watching.